If you're a student thinking about borrowing money to pay for school, you probably want something that gives you easy access to cash, is simple to use, and saves you money. A student line of credit may be a great solution for you. A line of credit is similar to a loan in that you are approved for a predetermined amount called a credit limit. However, unlike a loan where you borrow the full amount up front, once you're approved for a line of credit, you can decide how much or how little you want to use without having to reapply. So how can you save money by using a line of credit? Well, for one, interest rates are traditionally lower than they are for credit cards and personal loans. If you were to use a line of credit versus a credit card, you may save a considerable amount of money on interest. Let's take a look at an example. This is Kristen, a second-year university student living in Ottawa. Last week, her laptop died in the middle of class. It will cost about $1,200 to replace, an expense she didn't budget for. Kristen uses her credit card to buy the new laptop, knowing that it's going to take her 6 months to pay off. But she has a couple of options. Option 1, keep the balance on her credit card. Her credit card has an interest rate of 19.9%, which means she would pay a total of $133.25 in interest over the 6-month period. Option 2, transfer the balance to her student line of credit. The interest rate on her line of credit is much lower. At 4%, she would pay only $26.26 in interest. This is a savings of $107.09. It's an easy decision for Kristen, who is happy she can still pay off her credit card balance this month and save money on interest by using her student line of credit. Need to access cash? A line of credit can be a great solution for better managing your cash flow while you're in school. Because interest isn't charged until you use it, you can hang on to it at no cost until you need it. A line of credit is a very easy way to access funds, so you want to take care to use it only when you need it. And while you only have to pay the interest owing each month, it's a good idea to pay more whenever you can. If you think a line of credit is an option for you, give us a call or come by and visit us in a branch.